would you date? A funny, chubby guy or a hot, arrogant beefcake? I like guys who are handsome, arrogant.
Maybe
How about a 62-year-old man that is considered rich in the Philippines or a hot, young minimum wage earner?
Go with that. I'm go with that since
Go with what?
I'll go for old man. Maybe because he know how to handle things when it comes to relationship better than young man.
Who would you date? A funny, chubby guy or a hot, arrogant beefcake?
I would prefer funny guy.
I would choose a fat, funny guy.
You fat. That's what you said. Fat. Okay, a chubby.
Chubby.
Okay,
rather.
I go for a hot one but arrogant.
Interesting.
The chubby, funny guy. I prefer the arrogant one.
Interesting. Why?
Well, I like red flags, guys.
Really?
I don't know. I have this. Can you say that kink? But I like guys who are handsome, arrogant.
I think I would choose the funny chubby guy.
Funny po.
A funny chubby guy.
Chubby guy.
A funny chubby guy.
Yes.
Well, I want a hot guy for maybe flex or fame. Like I want to have a boyfriend, someone like, oh my god, he's so hot. Like oh geez, so like other girls will jealous of me. Like oh, I like your man. He's so hot. Like
How about a 62-year-old man that is considered rich in the Philippines, okay, or a hot, young minimum wage earner?
I'll go with the minimum wage earner.
Why?
Well, I can provide. I'll have my money. If the 62-year-old, I like him, then why not? But I prefer younger guys.
Okay, how about you, Beb?
Same answer with her.
I'll go for old man. Maybe because he know how to handle things when it comes to relationship better than young man.
And how about you?
Yeah, the same with the
A 62-year-old man, okay, that is considered rich.
yes.
Go with that. I'm go with that since
Go with what?
go with that 62 years old, good looking, having that rich, you know.
Why?
What do you call it? Is it a palm?
It could be a foreigner or it could be a Filipino as long as he is 62-year-old man and considered rich in the Philippines.
Yes, I'm considering with that one. He can provide my essential, like my wants, my needs, everything.
Oh.
That's it.
Okay. What happened to the like with what we call love?
Um, there's also love in that. As long as you're not going to like look for his money, but also look for his love. Like you just need to love him, care for him, everything. Just to consider what is love.
You're gonna love him because he's gonna provide your essentials.
Yes. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just going to love him because I love him. That's it. Not only for his money.
It depends. If the boy or if the young man is supporter or provider, I can choose the younger ones since the gap between the older one is, I think it's difficult for me to understand his perspective since I think
Why? How old are you?
21.
Oh, 21. Okay. So you don't really see yourself with someone with a very big age gap.
Yes, but it really depends on the situation.
What kind of situation?
um if someone approach me like the older guy and I think he is kind enough and provider, I think I can deal with it.
Hot mom na with minimum
Age earner.
oo, because it's not
not the
It's not about the money.
yeah, it's not about the money. It's the
You can say it in Bicol, ma'am. What do you mean?
Tagalog na lang. It's
Okay.
okay lang kahit na minimum age earner siya, at least napoprovide yung pangangailangan mo na araw-araw. Kahit
Okay. So what she said is it's okay even he is earning like minimum wage because as long as he could provide the needs. How old are you?
I'm 22.
22 and
I'm 20.
20. Both singles or have
We're
boyfriends?
singles.
How long have you been single?
I guess 7 months.
7 months and
A week.
a week. Fresh from the breakup. They're both college students. What are you studying?
I'm a medtech student.
Fourth year college, right?
No, third year.
Third year med tech. Okay, next school year, fourth year. How old are you, ma'am? That's
30 po.
30. And she looks so pretty. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for taking this time with us. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your time. Thank you, ma'am. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections